And welcome to the first episode of Making Money with Eclipse. And today, guys, I want to show you how to make $200 per day online on your smartphone, whether you're using a laptop or a tablet. I'm going to show you how to make money today. I'm all the way from South Africa. My name is Eclipse Gumede. You guys can find me on YouTube, Instagram, or all the social media platforms. So today, guys, I want to show you these two apps. These two apps are called Buzz, Break, and as well as Paid Work. These two apps will make you $200 per day if you use it the way I use it, because you can easily go on and not make money the right way. And all I ask from you guys today is to just subscribe to my channel, drop a like to this video, and guys, comment how do you make money? How other ways did you want us to make money? And as well as comment which country you come from, because I'm from South Africa, so I would like to know which countries my subscribers come from so that I can do videos for you guys. So guys, how are we gonna make $200 per day on these two apps? First, let's just jump on our cell phones, guys. Jump on our cell phones. And today, guys, I want to jump on our cell phones and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $200 per day. And don't forget, guys, to drop a like and subscribe to this video. Okay, so now we're on our cell phone. So we're going to search for Buzz Break. Okay, that's Buzz Break, 100%. So yes, that's Buzz Break. Okay, now I've already downloaded it already. So I've already downloaded it. I've already made money off watching the ads, and I've already made money off the articles as well. So if you're someone who likes to watch articles, this is a fantastic one for you, because you can sit at home, make your points, earn your points, and get rewards. So, but I want to show you how to make money the best way, because to make $200 per day, you need the best referral system, because I'm actually an affiliate marketer. I'll explain that a little bit later in other videos. But for now, I just want to get you guys all clued up with Buzz Break and as well as Paid Work. Okay, so now I've downloaded Buzz Break. Let's go into my account. Okay, now it's busy opening, guys. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe, like to this video, guys, because this is going to be a fantastic jam-packed video. Because I know there's a lot of guys that are out there that they say that they can make. Okay, see now, as I've got it, it tells me that you can now claim 1,500 points. So that's another way you can also get money on this. So in order for you to sign up, I highly recommend you sign up using your Facebook account. Okay, use your Facebook. I'm sure we all have Facebook accounts. I'm sure some of you have Instagram, your Twitter. So while it's loading here, I'm gonna continue onto my Facebook and then just confirm that I'm using it. Okay, so 100%. So I've logged on to my Eclipse Gumede Facebook account. Okay, so let's go, guys. Let's go. So on this app, there's many ways that you can make money. Okay, so for me, guys, I love my funny stuff, my sports. So as I come onto this app, firstly, you will go past the ads. You can always share this. So let's just say I share this, I can earn money that way. But guys, I want to show you how to make $200 per day. We'll go here to earn. Okay, we'll go here to earn, because I want you to get the best way. Because if you don't like watching the videos, and as well as you don't like, maybe for example, okay, so as we get here, invite friends, it says here, you can get 20% share of your friends' earning. Okay, so that basically means if you can get 10 people to sign up to this app, you get 10 people to sign up, you'll make 20% of how much they make. So I basically want you guys to use that as a referral system. And I'm going to show you later on in the video. Make sure to stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to get all these people. I'm going to show you how to get 50, maybe 100 people per day to sign up. And just imagine all that money, guys. Okay, so that was the first app that we have, which is Buzz Break. If you want to maybe watch your articles, maybe watch videos, and you can earn free daily points. So guys, if you're someone like me that likes to read, I highly recommend it. So guys, the other app that I highly recommend to use, okay, we'll go back onto my Play Store. We'll search on my Play Store. It's called Paid Work. Paid Work. There's it there. So I've already downloaded it. All we're gonna do is jump onto it. Okay, I just want to show you how to register, how to get all the signups done, and just to make sure that you guys know how to utilize it, because you can easily click out this video now and go use it yourself, but you won't make $200 per day. That I can guarantee, because it's all about the way you finesse it. You get what I'm saying? Because with referral system, with affiliate marketing, you can make tons of money online. Okay, so now I'm in the app. Okay, I highly recommend that we sign up using our Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can always use a Microsoft account. So I'm gonna use my Eclipse Gumede account. Okay, so I have multiple emails, but I'll let you know about that later on in other videos, why I have those accounts. Okay, so now we're just into the dashboard. I haven't earned anything yet, okay, but now I want to show you guys how to earn money on this app, because this one is my favorite. You can use the first one to maybe watch your articles before you sleep, maybe like the news. But this app here, since it's in South Africa, it's 20 Rand per game, for example. That's 20 points. So imagine I earned all that. But remember guys, I want to show you how to make money using the referral system. So let's go to our referral program. Okay, so our referral program, it says we'll copy this link. Okay, the moment you copy this link, this link here will be used so you can get to whatever, like let's just say the best way that I use this is I'll go onto my Bitly. It's called bitly.com. That's B-I-L-T-Y. Yeah, B-I-L-T-Y.com. Bitly.com. Okay, and then I'll go onto my bitly.com. Just give me a second. I'm almost going Bitly here. Just give me 1 second. I'll just go to bitly.com. Okay, so let's just go to bitly.com. Yeah, it's that one there, bit.ly. bit.ly. So go to Bitly, and this is an excellent way to shorten that ugly link we got from paid work. Okay, so I'm having a bit of trouble entering Bitly. Okay, so guys, basically, how are we gonna get traffic? Because remember, I want to show you how to get traffic, how to get people to sign up to these apps, how to make $200 per day. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment to this video, guys, because I want to show you many ways to make money online. So guys, the traffic source we're gonna use to make money online is Instagram. Guys, I'm sure we all have Instagram here, and there are many ways we can use Instagram. The way I use Instagram is to make money online. So we've jumped onto my Instagram account. This account of mine is called Addicts Money. I've built up this account since 2020, and not necessarily 2020. It's just an account that just keeps flowing and flowing and flowing. So guys, with this account, basically what I do, all I do is just post. I just post many dollars. Basically, I get people enticed to make money. So when someone gets enticed to make money, they'll come on there and then they'll click, let's go there, we'll see. Go into my Bitly account, okay? Remember I told you we're gonna make a Bitly account and I'm gonna minimize it. So I minimized my Bitly account before, and it says there, Money Addicts. Okay, so guys, I have a bit of a problem with my Wi-Fi, so just give me a second, okay? Give me a second while I sort out that. But otherwise, guys, just make sure I'm gonna make another video afterwards, later on, whereby I'm gonna show you how you can go from 2,000 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers in 45 days. Basically, I want to show you how to go viral on Instagram. Because as I showed you there, I have many accounts on Instagram, of which I'm going to show you later on. So guys, don't forget to comment in this video how you make money, which country you're from. Drop a like on this video. And yes guys, you're gonna catch me, your boy Eclipse, on the next video. And guys, I better enjoy it, because I'm gonna show you how to make money on Instagram and how to go viral on Instagram. So guys, the Instagram video will be popping up soon, and I will see you in the next video.